Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to use Instagram Reels. Easy for beginners guide. For that, I was click on Instagram account and here I was clicking on plus option and only this time, and here I was clicking on the option of reel, and again I was clicking on camera. After clicking camera, I have different types of filters and I was choosing one filter. After choosing the filter, and here I have the video of seconds, and here I was clicking on 30 seconds, and here I have different types of filters. You will see here I was tapping on that, and again I was taking one filter of triple, and after clicking triple, and uh, again I was clicking on music option. So here we have the different types of music and I was choosing one, and after that we need to long press when to click on the camera option. So here you will see that, just tap on that. Like this you can make a reel on Instagram account, and here we have the timer. So I was setting the timer at 20 seconds, and here I was doing that, and again. So if you increase the time, just increase the time and set the timer, and again click on camera to, like this you can do Instagram reels. And after that I was clicking on next option, and here we have the edit option. If you like to delete means delete, or here we have the increase the speed, less or low, and it was a tick mark. And if you like to split means just split, if you replace the video means just replace it. And here we have the crop option, and here we have the delete option. Like this you can use the Instagram reel for business guide. Thank you.